As we have seen how to get total number of records and also sale count by state using pandas, now it is time for us to get the same details using polars. You can start with this import polars as PL. When it comes to polars, you can specify pattern like this directly. You don't need to process individual file at a time. You can process all the files together. Now let me run this. Data frame by name car underscore sales is created, and as it is lazily evaluated, it will not run when we actually invoke read underscore CSV. It will just wait to invoke other functions to run. That's why it is very fast even though the data is 1.5 GB in size. Then to get number of records, you don't need to go through each and every file, compute the interim number of records, and then get the final total count or total number of records. You can just use car sales.shape. It will give you the total number of records followed by total number of columns. You can see the total number of records is same as what you have seen with pandas. Now, when it comes to sales by state using polars, you don't need to process individual files and then compute interim sales by state and then use the interim sales by state to get final sales by state. You just have to say group by state like this and then invoke ag function. As part of ag function, you should be able to use pl.count to get the count, and then you can provide the alias sales count to that. Now, if you run this, it will take care of getting sales by state. You should be able to see the number of records. You can see the number of records are nothing but 10. This is not required because we are only getting count. However, if you want to get the revenues also, then you can say pl dot sum of then sale underscore price dot alias of total sales or total revenue, and then I have to specify comma here. Now if I run this, it will take care of not only getting the sale count but also total revenue. Now you can run this piece of code where it have returned 10 comma 3, which means the sales by state have 10 records and 3 columns. What are the 3 columns? They are nothing but state, then total revenue and sales count. When it comes to total revenue, instead of displaying the data using scientific notation, I wanted to display as float numbers. For that reason, we have to run this piece of code, pl.config where C is capital dot set format float full. Now let me run this and then let me preview the data by saying sales by state dot head. You can see the outcome as per the expectations. Now if you wanted to sort the data in descending order, then you have to invoke sort on top of polars data frame. Then you can specify the column based on which you wanted to sort the data and also the direction. In this case, we would like to sort the data in descending order, hence we can say descending equal to true. Now let me run this and you can see the outcome here. The data is sorted in descending order by sales count. Now before moving further, let's review the code and also the execution time and compare with pandas. When it comes to pandas, to get total number of records, we have to iterate through each of the file, get the shape and then add to total count to get the total count. But when it comes to polars, you should be able to read all the files in a single iteration like this. Because while reading, it has to infer the schema. It have processed data here and it took 0.8 seconds to just create car underscore sales data frame. And then when we use shape, it have written the results instantly. We haven't written any code to iterate through each of the files. Automatically, it picked all the files based on this pattern. And also when it comes to sales by state, the logic is quite straightforward compared to pandas. In pandas, we have to create something called as sales by state interim. And then again we have to use sales by state interim grouping by state to get the sales by state. But when it comes to polars, it is very straightforward. We just have to use group by like this and then use ag function. Within no time, it is able to compute sales by state. It just took 0.2 seconds, which is very fast compared to pandas. In pandas, sales by state took 13.8 seconds. When it comes to the total count, it took 13.4 seconds. Here, sales by state just took 1 second because it took 0.8 seconds to read the data from the files and create the data frame, and then 0.2 seconds to just get the sales by state. This is very fast compared to Pandas. That being said, when it comes to the results are same as what we have seen with respect to Pandas. As we are done with Pandas followed by polars, now it is time for us to come up with the logic for the same problem statements using PySpark.